Introducing the Murano collection. Crafted, elevated, purposefully designed, this curated set of genuine Nissan accessories helps make your Murano as unique as you. Command attention right from the start with a striking set of 20-inch alloy wheels and back them up with splash guards to help keep appearances clean. Enjoy a well-lit welcome for you and your guests with signature ground lighting, and make entrances even more grand with sleek sports pedals and stylish kick plates. Complete your look while helping to preserve your ride with rear scuff plates that are tailored to match. For a finishing touch, illuminate your view above and dial up your interior lighting for a unique Murano experience that's all yours to enjoy. The Murano collection. Capable, versatile, made to last. This curated set of Nissan accessories helps make life on the go easier. Make traveling with pets more comfortable for them and less work for you with adjustable straps that clip right in, to padded harnesses that come in 4 sizes, and soft and portable pet carriers that are simple to attach. Make coming and going just as easy, with a lightweight retractable ramp that opens and stores away cleanly and is suitable for pets of all sizes. Be ready to roll when it's time to roam by storing your gear right where you want it. With quality crafted organizers that help keep your cargo secure and covers that keep the rest out of sight, so you can feel free to explore what's out there. Reinforce your ride for the roads ahead with versatility and protection. Hitch up to haul bikes and outdoor gear with ease. And defend your bumper from scuffs and scratches. While the durable, custom-fit, all-season mats help to keep dirt and messes in check. Document your journey both inside and out with the dual camera drive recorder. See more, do more, and help make the most of your moments on the road with the Murano collection from Nissan.